Hey guys, today I have something called a MOCA. Not coffee. It is, well, basically a converter, a media converter type of thing that allows you to get Ethernet over coaxial cables. And when I say coaxial, I'm talking about this guy right here. Currently I'm using these power line adapters, which goes into the outlet and then it converts it into Ethernet. If I can get it around there, you can see. And I've only been able to get about at maximum about 50 to 60 megabits per second, and that's a gigabit line. So this is supposed to allow me to get the full, ooh, nice packaging, retail, the full gigabit speed. Actually, it says 2.5, so let's see if that works. But I don't have anything. I only have one. Actually, no, I don't have anything 2.5 gigabits right now. I will soon though, because I do have a 2.5 gigabit network switch coming, as well as a mini PC that I'm going to use to turn it into a OpenSense router. Either pfSense or OpenSense, depending on, you know, whatever the NICs it has. It has a Intel 2256, so I might have to use OpenSense. Anyways, that's the basics of it. You can see, according to the description, there's the model number. And supposedly, it has a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet jack too. MOCA, Multimedia over Coaxial Alliance. So it's a standard. Works over coax cabling in your home, which my house does have, so I figured I might use this rather than run Cat 6 or Cat 7 cable all over, which is hard to do behind the walls now that it's all finished. MOCA 2.5 is very fast, 2.5 gigabits. Faster than bonded MOCA 2.0. Definitely faster than Wi-Fi for sure. MOCA adapter works with all kind of MOCA, including, and it gives you all that list there. It's got a warranty. Designed to work with cable TV, files, blah, blah, blah. I do have fiber in the home, but it is not it is not Verizon, or it's a local company. It's actually pretty small. It's really, really regional, I guess. It's not really even regional. It's like neighborhood. It's just like a small neighborhood block. Speeds may be lower than, yeah, but you know, I've actually done tried to do some research on this, and that's why I bought this. Was that people did do some reviews online, and they were able to get 2.2 gigabits per second. So we'll see. I want to cover up the serial number and everything on the bottom, but let's see what happens. So as you can imagine, you will need two of these. That's why I bought two. One needs to be right by the router or whatever, your modem or whatever, basically the source, right? And the other is the client. And you know what? They both are kind of, you know, they're really not really a client slash server type thing, really. Nothing like that. Because it's just basically a media converter, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. It's, in fact, you can have multiple of these, and basically all it really does is just turns these coaxial cable to Ethernet. So you don't even need an internet connection if you just want a local LAN with no internet at all. But you do need this for every place that has a port like this. So this is in my bedroom. And then I also have a coaxial cable down like in the front room where my modem is. Well, not my modem, sorry, my router. So this is the same. So let's open this up. It's a really nice retail packaging. I was thinking for something that is... I didn't really think there was a whole lot of... I didn't think there would be a retail package for something like this. Because they do make generic brands too. So they have a filter included. Interesting. Let's get started. Now I'm kind of interested if there's any security between these two. Or if these are already paired up. I do need MOCA because I don't have one already built into my router / modem, which I don't really have a modem. I already have something called a PON. It's kind of like a fiber optical media converter of some sort. There it is. Security. I was wondering about this. Interesting. Now I don't have to worry about the filter because mine does not go back outside. Actually, one of them might, so I might actually still put it in just in case if someone else tries to tap it. So yeah, like I said, this is just me first opening it up, so. Oh, nice. They has a little template for if you want to do a wall mount down there. Here's the device itself. Oh, I wish I had a tripod. People are telling me to get it, but I don't really do YouTube much. I don't have them, like, let's see, device, network, LAN, power, on and off. Let's see if that's a physical switch. It is. So it's not a soft switch. And of course, it's a satisfying peel. I won't peel it right now though. So it does come with Cat 5e. Oh, that's disappointing. Power supply. Let's see, according to this, what is it? Input 102 240 volts, 50/60.03A max. Output 5 volts, 1.5 amp, and it's got a center positive. Okay. Comes with screws, and I have no idea what this is going to be for. And here's a small coaxial and the filter that goes to the outside. All right. I'm going to set it up and let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I finally got this working. This was my old power line. And it took me a while. Because I had to go in the basement and I had so many cable wires down there. I'm not really sure why. I only know of 3 places. One in my bedroom, one in the living room, and one in the basement. That used to be the previous owner's theater room. And so I just saw a whole bunch of them in there. And so basically I just connected one of these, like for example, I left this one up here in my bedroom connected, and then I just took the other one and just find out which cable it links up to. And then I labeled it, and then I did the same. I took this back down to the living room and then tried to find out which one links to each other, which cable linked to each other there, and then I just kind of connected those two together. Ouch. So basically what I did was, as you can see, I'm in my bedroom right now. That's power. That goes to my computer. It's just a test computer right now on my laptop. And then this just connects to the cat wire. And, back up there. This is temporary. Don't worry. It is a fire hazard looking thing. But, it's like power and everything. It just kind of goes into the closet and goes up to my TV up there. And I also have my Shield TV in there as well. So Android TV for all my smart TV needs. And this is gonna this cable goes up there. But for now, I just connected the laptop directly to it so that I can do tests. Just so you know, I'm on Metronet, which is a fiber service around my neighborhood. And I have a gigabit up and down. So let's see how it goes. Well, looks like there's a delay. So I'm getting almost a gig, which is the full thing. Upload speed, it just starts slow and it just kind of ramps up. And it slowly ramps up to close to its speed. I'll try it one more time. It's still trying. So I'm not really sure why the upload speed takes a while for it to ramp up, but it does ramp up. And it's slower than the download speed, but it's still not too bad. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this setup. All right. I'm good for now. So I'm hoping to use this as a Wi-Fi backhaul for either an access point or more than likely it's going to be more likely either going to be used as a backhaul for a mesh Wi-Fi network or just a single access point. So we'll see. My house isn't too big, so I don't really need a mesh network. But oh well, we'll see. All right. Well, I hope this kind of like it was gonna be like low effort. Production-wise, it always is, but for me, this one took a lot longer than I expected to set everything up, so. But, well, it works. I'm happy. I'm just going to have to clean this up, put it behind my closet, and then when my new router comes in, I can set that up, install OpenSense, set up my firewall rules, and turn my current consumer-based, because I have an Asus Wi-Fi router, so I'm just going to turn that into an access point for now, because it's only Wi-Fi 5, which is AX. It's not bad. I mean, it's still pretty quick, so I don't really feel the need to upgrade, but I'm hoping that eventually when Wi-Fi 7 comes out, that's where I'm going to purchase like a dedicated access point, and this will be the backhaul. Right now, supposedly it is connected at 1 gigabit because I don't have a 2.5 gigabit switch yet. It is in the mail, so hopefully when that comes, when connected to a 2.5 gigabit net, this is going to turn blue. Currently it's green, meaning 1 gigabit. So I do not know what it looks like. I don't know if there's a different color for it if you're using 100 megabit or less. I think in the manual it just says green is just a gigabit and 2.5 is blue, and that's about it. That's all it gave me, that information. So that's it. Oh, if you guys are wondering what this other port is for, that's if you have a cable device, like for example, if you really did have cable service, you would hook up your cable modem on here. So this will come from the outside, right? Then this will come, oh, I'm sorry, no, I'm sorry. This one goes to the outside. Oh, wait. No. The outside still goes into your cable modem. Cable modem goes in here. That's what that is. Yeah, sorry about that. My mind blanked for a bit. And then this goes to the rest of your network, basically. So, yeah, that's it. I'm happy with this, more or less. I'm hoping to see faster speeds once I get a 2.5 gigabit network. But not internet speeds, though. I know that I'm not going to be able to get, because my max is a gigabit up and down for internet, but eventually I hope to have internal devices that are 2.5 gigabits. My gaming computer already has that port. My secondary machine does too. My NAS does not. That's the only thing. But also with the more advanced router that I'm going to be getting with OpenSense, I am hoping to do segregated networks where my IoT devices are going to be on one VLAN and my admin devices, just like my computer and things like that, that's going to be on a separate network. So hopefully that would help. But that's it. That is for today. Take care. Bye.